Hey YouTube, today we will be taking a look at Windows 98 2nd edition. So probably a lot of you, if you've ever used Windows 98, it was 2nd edition, but behind your back and you didn't realize it, because 1st edition I don't even have a copy of laying around, so let me just hit the lights. And turn the computer on before it shuts off. Before the TV shuts off. I need to insert the disc. I thought I pressed in. Okay, just give me a second as well, I need to go get something. Excuse me for a minute. Just stare there at the Gauss prompt for a minute. I had to go into my quote-unquote lab to get this. This just has my Windows 98 SE license on it. I don't know if you can really see it. Yeah, you can't. Okay, I'll just stick this on the sofa right here. As usual, let's launch out this and create our own partition. Yes, enable large disk support. Create primary DOS partition. This takes forever, sorry about this. Don't know why I asked to verify the drive integrity. No way, Jose. Oh my gosh, why does it always do it twice? Okay, so finally, let's erase all that. Let's make it 2 gigabytes. Standard. Primary DOS partition created. I need to set it as active. So now all we gotta do is press Control-Alt-Delete. start the Windows 98 setup. Alright, so here we are. Okay, so here we are. Let's format that drive. So the setup here is actually working the same way as it would if we were basically doing the same thing, but with MS-DOS. We'd created our own partition and started the setup. So it's not abnormal that Windows 98 would ask us if we wanted to use that partition that the setup had not created itself. So okay, so now here we are. This is what bootable Windows CDs would do. They basically do the kind of MS-DOS setup at the beginning, and then they just launch the original setup that you would originally start from the command line from your boot disk. So this is interesting. So here it is. Welcome to the Windows 98 setup. Congratulations on choosing Windows 98, the software that makes your computer more powerful, reliable, manageable, and entertaining. With Windows 98, you can connect to the internet quickly and easily. And Windows 98 is even easier to use than Windows 95. Setup will take from 30 to 60 minutes depending on the speed of your computer. To begin setup, click continue. I installed this from an ISO on my computer, and it took about 2. But also it takes about 1. Because it takes about 1 with Windows 95. Yeah, started these setup, it started installing and copying files. Then I go in the bathroom, and then I come out and just saying, please click OK to restart your computer. So yeah. Hey, at least it doesn't say, it's like, welcome to the Windows 95 setup. Congratulations on your choice of Windows 95. The newest and easiest way to do what you want with your PC. Because that's what it says with Windows 95. But anyway, it's not quite as funny on this. A lot of people may notice that if you've ever installed Windows XP, this looks a lot like it. Get everything labeled. Seems like that one never enabled all the way, so. See if communications will enable all the way now. Nope. Wonder why. That's weird. Okay, let's go. Fragbox! Sorry. Welcome to Microsoft Windows 98. Please sit back and relax while Windows 98 installs on your computer. So you can see the progress bar right here. It's like the exact same UI placement as Windows XP. I do Windows XP, except usually I can't get Windows XP to activate. And also, I don't have an Ethernet cord in here. I'd be reading this so that you can. I'd be reading these tips for kicks and giggles, so. You can visit the new Windows Update site. It's actually pretty old now. It's about 14 years old, I think. No, 13, because the Windows 98 is Windows 98 Second Edition, which is what we're doing right now, came out in 1999, so it should be Windows 99. Or actually, Windows 2000 should be Windows 99, because it was the first version of Windows released in 99. Windows 98 SE is the second version of Windows released in 99. Windows ME was the third and final. Then think about it, that was some 3 years between 95 and 98, because 95 really changed the world. That is still, Wikipedia says that is still Microsoft's best-selling product. If you use the upgraded version of this between 95 and 98, then this would be like all cloudy here, like clouds around here. Then down here in the corners would be like a little picture illustrating what this says. And also this text would be black, and the title would be like way bigger, and this would be in a funny font. It's really pretty cool. Although the Windows 98, I mean, the Windows 95 setup I thought was one of the most unique Windows setups, because it just had like a desktop background. It just looked like a normal program setup wizard. Down here was the progress bar, and then right here in a little box was kind of this thing. Universal Serial Bus. It's the new Universal Serial Bus. And then when it hits 90%, it says, "Thank you, Microsoft Windows 98 team." I think it's when it hits 90. It's almost to 90. That's when that one's Windows Update. Maybe it's 95. Yeah. Well, this time we've spent 14 minutes on the setup. We're going to spend longer. Getting ready to run Windows for the first time. Okay, just a second. Is it just me? Or can the camera see it, or can I only see it? What looks like a DNA cell right here. Well, DNA strand, more of that. That's weird. I actually think it's something weird on the TV, but let's see. What image? What stuff? Stiff. Stuff. Not studge. Not studge. Or stug, whatever. Accept license thinking. Okay, now I need to pull out my Gateway Solo 1100, which has Windows 98 SE on it. Okay, let's see it. Let's SE it. Okay. PTR QGYK3 D, Q, Y, W, C, D, 9, G, Y, 9, 7, 7, R, 2, T. Wait, actually, let me cut it one more time. Oops. I was trying to keep a rhythm, but I messed up on that last part. So, 7, 7, R, 2, T. There we go. Let me put this computer back. Now initializing its driver database. It seems like if the setup is going to hang, it usually hangs right here, but I've installed this on this computer before, so I don't think it's going to hang. We're making progress here. Literally, because there's a progress indicator. Come on, 99%. There we go. Wow. Another reboot. You know, I may not do Windows ME. No, I think I will. Nah. If I do, it'll be another day. Maybe tomorrow. I'm kind of tired of operating systems. I think I'm going to play Left 4 Dead or something with my dad. I mean, sure, it's only $3.50, but I don't know, mess with it. Also, sometimes it's best if you stop doing something you've been doing all day a few hours. What? Dun 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 dun. I don't know what that was. Never had that happen during the setup. Maybe I have once, I think. I think it may have been on this computer. Oh well, if nothing happens, we can just restart. The control panel just might be a little jacked up, because that's what it's trying to set up right now, but... Yeah, I'm not seeing anything happening, are you? Hard disk indicator's not going. I think it's just broken. Oh boy, have I jacked it up now. Yeah, we're just gonna have to Control-Delete our way out of this. If safe recovery pops up, then we're in luck. Safe recovery sure is handy. I've had to use it several times before. Oh yeah, the setup didn't properly shut down. Shot down? I can't even talk. Oh boy. Oh, well, hey. It's still working, it's just not loading the whole setup GUI again. Did I seriously install Web TV for Windows? Wow. Epic fail. I don't even think it works anymore. Drum roll, please. Okay, wait, it's not close enough. That little drum is supposed to be like, drum roll, please. Microsoft likes to do that. The little pixelated drum there. I used to have all kinds of weird sounds on my old computer, and most of them were my voice, but some of them I had like, one of them I just set to the old Windows ding, and it was like, so I'd turn on the computer, I'd set it to bye-bye application if I closed the program, and then it would be like, ding, 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 bye-bye, ding, 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 bye-bye, ding, bye-bye application, ding. That was usually it, but sometimes there were more. And also, through the whole time, there's just a little flipping coin as my cursor, because that's what I'd set my working in the background cursor to. Maybe it's still a little too early. Okay. Now. Come on, finish. Okay, I'm tired. Come on. 2 blocks. Come on. There's 2 blocks right there. Hurry up, Windows 98. Anytime now. Oh, jeez. Still just 2 blocks. There we go. Yes! Oh my goodness! Epic fail. Epic fail, man. Oh wow, it's still rebooting. I just thought I knew where the button was. Oh my gosh! What the heck? What in the crud? This is like, okay, now it's finally rebooting. Or maybe blue screening again. No, it's rebooting. Hey! Hey, 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 hey! Look who's got themselves a Windows 98. Us is the answer there. Ooh, jeez. It's been a long time. How have you been? It's been a long time. How have you been? Just so you know, that is the weirdest welcome thing. You like start, it's like starts, it's like It doesn't actually go that long. I just kind of invented the rest. Yeah, let's go through our normal routine of playing Minesweeper after the fresh installation of Windows. Is it just me, or does the field look a little different? Okay, let me... Forgot! We're also supposed to switch our color scheme to... not eggplant. Try that one more time. To... desert. To... desert. Desert. Sorry. I've totally lost my mind, as usual. Okay, let's start over. Corners, as usual. Is it just me, or are these graphics actually different from Windows XP, even? I know they're different from NT4 and whatnot, but that's weird. Has to be, has to be. Maybe. Can't do it. Oh. Look! Graphics really are different. How strange. Just gonna start random clicking. Da da da. Sorry. Restart once. Oh yeah, let's take that CD-ROM of ours out. What the? Took my CD back. What makes it think it has the right to take my CD back from me? Come on. What's taking you so long? Hopefully it's not moronicness again. I am not a moron! Yes, you are! Oh my gosh. Blue screen of deaths are fun. Everybody knows that. Especially when you don't really intend them to happen. Not that you would intend them to happen, unless you type con. Yeah, let's just go into MS-DOS mode and type that. Nothing's happening. Okay, win. Good old win. I win, because I typed win. What the? Oh my gosh. You know, once I made a thing called good.batch, and then I just made it echo. Like I typed echo. Excellent commander file name. Windows didn't finish loading on the previous attempt. Blah, blah, blah. Windows 98 is like the second crummiest OS ever. The first crummiest OS is NT4. Of course. Everybody knows that after my last video. What? I want to shut down. Thank you. Like, I want to shut down. Thank you. Looks like we're done here. Was this a half an hour video? Over half an hour video. 33 minutes. Okay, bye.